Hello, everyone, and good morning. Thank you for joining our webinar, Atlassian for Non-Tech Teams. So this is going to be the first in a three-part series on the topic. And just so you know, we are recording this webinar, and we'll be sure to email you a link to that recording over the next few days. More details on that in just a bit. A heads up, our next webinar is scheduled for January 20th at 11 a.m. Central. So we're going to build upon what Brian will discuss today, and we're going to take a deeper dive into how business teams can use Jira to streamline their processes and improve their collaboration. So we're going to be covering a few things in the next webinar, including how business teams use Jira, where Jira can be used in your organization, and then how we've helped our clients utilize Jira for business processes. So it'll be a really interesting webinar. Again, it's kind of the second part in the three-part series here. And as we go along today, as you have questions, be sure to type them in the questions box of the GoToWebinar control panel. We're going to queue those up and we'll answer them towards the end of this session. We're going to do a Q&A, and we'll get to as many of those questions as we can. On the webinar today from Percipio Consulting, we have Brian Nye. Brian is a senior solutions architect with a real passion for implementing Atlassian business solutions for non-tech teams. So he's worked with some of our biggest clients, extremely talented guy, and we couldn't be happier to have him relocating very soon to our new Austin offices. It's our headquarters here. We couldn't be more excited to have Brian joining us. And then my name is Evan Perkins. I'm your moderator and a sales consultant here at Percipio Consulting. And as a non-tech user of Atlassian, I'm excited about this particular webinar series, and I really look forward to learning a few new tricks myself. A little bit about Percipio Consulting before we get started. We've been Atlassian expert partners for over 6 years now, and we're one of 5 platinum enterprise experts in the country. So over 99% of our projects are Atlassian related. We currently have and we've helped hundreds of clients across the globe, ranging from 20-person companies to Fortune 20 enterprises, spanning many different industries. And what we do is we help our clients with process-centric technology solutions that facilitate traditional business process management, IT service management based on ITIL, and the software development life cycles, right? So in the SDLC space specifically, we're helping clients transition from traditional waterfall to the agile methodology. So essentially, whatever widget you produce, we can help improve the quality and the throughput at the lowest cost. And we do help our clients, we support clients in all facets of the Atlassian product suite, and we help build methodologies and solutions across the entire product line. So solutions architecting and implementations, licensing, upgrades and maintenance, managed hosting, managed services, integrations, add-on development, and also training. We can help with a broad range of things.
Thanks for the introduction. Again, my name is Brian Nye. I'm a senior solutions architect with Percipio Consulting. I'm also a SAFe program consultant and a certified Scrum Master. So let's get into what we're actually going to be talking about today. So today's focus is all about Atlassian products in use by non-software teams. So first of all, we're going to start off by debunking the myth that Atlassian is just for software teams. We're going to do that by going through the 3 phases of work. We're going to talk about how we can advance the solution utilizing add-ons. And we're going to discuss how do you get started. And lastly, for all you naysayers out there, we're going to discuss, yeah, but it won't work for our team. Well, let's talk about how it does work for all different types of teams by taking you through some of the case studies that we have just here within Percipio Consulting. So Atlassian is just for software teams. I'm sure most of the people watching this right now are using the Atlassian product for some sort of software development efforts, and that is awesome. Thank you very much for doing so. But we at Percipio Consulting get questioned all the time, yeah, but can we use Jira for this or Confluence for that? And the answer is yes. In the next few slides, we'll help break things down to help you promote Atlassian for more than just software teams. So Atlassian is just for software teams, but everybody wants to use it. Who are these teams outside of software teams that are asking to use the Atlassian suite of products? Well, some that come to mind often are HR teams, marketing, legal, operations. The real list can really go on. The opportunity is there, but there is a disconnect on how their teams can deploy the tools to be beneficial for these non-technical teams. So let's start by breaking down what work really looks like. So no matter what business you're in, work is going to look like this.